Hi guys, and thank you for watching. So today I want to create this boho inspired wall hanging made out of stir sticks actually, and to kind of redo the current lamp that I have that I got a bit tired of. So over here I'm just shaving it down, all of the other previous things that were on this lamp, and prepping it for some spray painting. It's a bit streaky, but I had to apply about 3-4 layers and then it was fine. For a while I've had these wooden boards and I didn't know what to do with them, and this was the answer. I glue got them together. It's not the best way, but I didn't really have nails or anything like that, but it worked. So I have these cafe stir sticks, 150 of them, they're wooden, and then I have this metal paint in different colors, bronze, silver, and some really dark kind of bronzy gold color. I used all of them. Painted lots of these stir sticks. I'm not sure how many I painted, but I don't know, maybe 20 in each color. I have also painted some in pure white. So over here I found the center, the middle of my boards, and I was trying to kind of create some kind of design before I started glue gunning everything. To cut to shape, I literally use scissors because these wooden sticks are very thin, and use the glue gun. Some of the edges were really not perfect where the cut was. So what I would do is I would put glue gun on top, a wooden stick to kind of mask, hide the edges, which I think was a nice kind of cover up. Over here I decided that certain areas of the wood would be nice to have spray painted in white. So I'm just blocking off the areas that I wanted not touched, and going outside and spray painting it. This spray paint is perfect for wood if you're not doing like a large coverage and you don't need the solid coverage. It's pretty perfect. It's not that great for the ceramic thing that I had for lights. It goes streaky. So taking everything off, and it is actually really lovely. Loving the different colors and loving that even when it's spray painted white, there is still that indication that it's still wood. And here's the final piece. I think it looks very, very pretty and far more complicated than how it actually was made. It's almost like a cheat way to create a wooden board without any nails or anything in terms of like actual wood. So over here I want to mimic the same chevron pattern that I have on the board, on a wooden board, with onto this lamp. The only other spray paint I had was gold color. This Rust-Oleum spray paint is amazing. This is my recommendation for the spray paint. The quality of it is far, far superior than the white spray paint I had. Not to put the white spray paint down, but wow, this spray paint is amazing. As some of the parts of the gold went onto the white, I'm just using the white acrylic to mask it a little bit so that it's a bit sharper. And here it is. So we have the chevrons in the board, we have the chevrons on the light stand. Overall, the boho feel, the colors, I love this. I think it's very cool and very trendy right now. Definitely try it yourself, pretty easy to do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.